Hello beautiful people, welcome to Closet Confections. I'm your host Kendra, and today I'm going to show you everything that I packed for my recent road trip to the DMV. And actually, I heard that people from the DMV don't call it the DMV, so if that's true, I guess I'm just letting my tourist colors show. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so recently Eric, Christian, and I went on a road trip to Colonial Williamsburg and Washington, D.C. I don't know if I've ever mentioned this to you guys before, but I am like obsessed with Colonial Williamsburg. We went for the first time before we had Christian like years ago, and I just like loved it and always wanted to go back once I had a kid. So we went and had a great time, and then afterwards we drove over to D.C. to hang out for a few days. So I have been wanting to go back to D.C. We used to go like at least twice a year before the current administration. So this is actually the first time that I have been back since Obama left office. But in any case, we got to go to the National Portrait Gallery because I have been dying to see the official Obama portraits, and they did not disappoint. And we also took some time to visit the brand new National Museum of African American History, which was phenomenal. So all in all, we had a great time. So I've been wanting to do a packing video for a while, so I want to do probably a video and a companion blog post because I am so detailed when it comes to packing. Like, I'm talking Google Docs and spreadsheets, lookbooks, the whole shebang. I'm not going to get into all that today, but I will show you all of my outfits that I packed, and also share one of my biggest tips, which is to try on each and every outfit from head to toe and take pictures before you leave. So I always do that. Like, packing for me is like half the fun of vacation, like planning and getting detailed and organizing everything. So I like to try on my outfits. I start planning my outfits probably about 3 to 4 weeks out. And it helps me to be more strategic about what I pack, and then when I get on vacation I can just reference, you know, the photos that I took and know how to put each of my outfits together. So for starters, since we were driving down, I packed way more shoes than I would ever recommend, so take that with a grain of salt when I show you how many shoes I actually packed for this trip. But on the way down I wore this outfit, and it was this gorgeous sweater that I got recently from Zara, and I love these little beaded bow details, and I wore it with just a pair of simple black jeans. These are the Road Tripper jeans, apropos for a road trip, that I got from Madewell like a couple of years ago. The next thing that I packed was this beautiful red dress that I got from H&M. So this is a super lightweight piece. The weather was really mild down in DC. I think it was like almost 60 degrees the entire time we were there, so this was perfect. I wore this outfit for brunch. I think we went to the Greenhouse restaurant inside of the Jeffersonian Hotel. Absolutely beautiful, stunning decor. I put some pictures up on Instagram showing off my outfit, and yeah, I really had fun wearing this dress. The next item that I packed is this little black dress from H&M, and I love the little gold fleck details throughout. Again, another super cute, super fun to wear lightweight dress that was easily fit inside my bag. I didn't have to worry about wrinkles or ironing it or anything when I got on the road. And then next was this gorgeous polka dot dress. Recently was National Polka Dot Day, and I featured this on my Instagram, but I love this dress. It's so fun. It also comes in the reverse print, so like black with light colored polka dots, and I'm like debating whether or not I need that one too. But yeah, this one was super fun to wear. And then for a more casual look, I went with this dress that I recently got from Franken Oak, and you guys know that I love this dress. It's like a sweater knit. It has a seam down the front, a little bit lower than a mock neck, like somewhere in between like a crew neck and a mock neck, and it has pockets. You know I'm a sucker for pockets. So this was a cute dress that I wore. I think I packed mostly dresses and just one pair of jeans. But I also had this green taffeta dress that I got from Zara Yeah, I got this one from Zara, and it also has pockets, which we love. A v-neck. I think I tossed this on with a pair of heels and a beret and just felt super cute. I think I wore this when we went to Busch Gardens. Yes, I wore this one to Busch Gardens with actually a pair of Doc Martens while we were walking around, and then I changed out my shoes and swapped into a pair of heels for a dinner later on that evening. So that's another thing. Whenever I go on vacation, I like outfits that have like double duty. So we usually do get dressed up and go out to dinner at night, and so I try to have a couple of dressy outfits thrown in there, but sometimes we don't have time to make it back to our hotel, so I try to pick outfits that I can wear with a pair of like flats, comfortable shoes during the day while we're sightseeing, and then just maybe swap out some accessories and some shoes and go straight to dinner. And lastly, I bought this dress to wear on the ride home. This one is so super duper comfortable. I bought this from Zara like maybe 2 years ago, and it's this oversized deep v-neck sweater, and then also too you can throw this on with leggings as well. So I've worn it both as a dress and also just as like a tunic over a pair of leggings. So very versatile and well worn, well loved item in my wardrobe. For coats, the weather was pretty mild, so I brought this black faux fur jacket that I got off Amazon. It looks thicker and heavier than it actually is. So this one I like because it's very lightweight, like the fabric is very thin, but I can layer under it, so it's good at blocking the wind. And I like this coat because I can dress it up or down. Like I wore it with my Doc Martens and some of my short dresses for more of a casual look, but then I could easily pair it with heels, some sparkly jewels, and it works just as well for a night out on the town. And then for my second jacket, I wound up bringing, you can't go wrong with just a classic camel wool coat. This one I got on the clearance rack at H&M like for 20 bucks. Can you believe it? I think it was marked down from like 150 or 120. So this was an incredible steal, and I brought this one along with me. For handbags, since it was a trip with Christian, my 1-year-old son, and we had his stroller, truth be told, when I'm pushing the stroller, I don't like to carry a bag, so I mostly just use, I'll show you, this like crossbody purse, like wallet sort of thing. It's a cell phone holder with a wallet on the back, so I can keep all my cards and my Metro card in there, and then my cell phone. I just put this on and wear it crossbody when it comes untangled, and that's all I wear when I have the stroller. But for times when we went out to dinner, I did bring this bag that I got from Zara, and I love this. It's just like a little, and this strap is removable, so you can either wear it casual like crossbody, or it also turns into a cute little tortoiseshell. It turns into a cute little tortoiseshell clutch that you can carry like that, and it's a solid wood that it's made out of. So as I mentioned before, I brought an embarrassment of shoes on this vacation. I will just say, like, typically when I go out of town, I try to narrow down my shoe selection, but because we had a rental car and all the rental car agency had left was minivans, so we had a ton of space left, I decided, you know what, I can bring all the shoes that I want. And boy did I. So I brought these sparkly lace brocade pumps from J. Crew. I also brought these red plaid pumps with the little silvery bottoms and the silver buckle detail here on the side. I also brought my Chanel pumps. Oh gosh, I've had these for years. This is one of like my first designer purchases. I love these shoes to death, and they're super comfortable, so I brought those with me. I also brought these cute cream colored ankle boots that are from C by Chloe. I got these at Bloomingdale's on sale like maybe early last year, and I love how they have these like gold sort of they're not spikes, but it's like gold studded detail all over, and I love these. Are so comfortable, but they're super chic and on trend. Next, I told you guys, I was not kidding when I said I brought a lot of boots. I also brought these gold velvet Stuart Weitzman ankle boots, and they have like a little tie detail in the back. These aren't the most comfortable shoes, but we didn't do a lot of walking So I was able to, that particular evening, I was able to wear these with that black and gold dress. All right, and this next pair of shoes you've seen a lot on the channel, but these are my suede lace-up ankle boots that I got from Zara recently. I wore these quite a few times on the trip because they're comfortable, but I like that they have a heel so I could kind of dress up my outfits a little bit. And then I also brought my Doc Martens. Like anytime we were doing any walking or like sightseeing, I pretty much wore that with all of my outfits and swapped them out, unless I was wearing those little Zara suede booties. And so next for jewelry, I think I went pretty simple with like rings and my watch. I just brought this one watch, but I did pack a lot of earrings, and I always do this on vacation because earrings and like scarves and hats, especially like berets or like hats that you can pack flat, can really change up your look and add a lot to your outfits, but don't take up a lot of space in your wardrobe. So I bought my red one, my sort of pinky kind of taupe colored one, and then my black one with the studs on it. So these kind of added a little bit of extra glam to all of my outfits. I don't like to fuss with my hair on vacation. Like unless we're going on a beach vacation or we're going to be gone more than 2 weeks, I typically don't wash my hair on vacation. So just in case I do have a bad hair day, I like having hats. It's like a backup option or a plan B. So luckily my hair behaved on vacation. Like I said, I also like to bring earrings, so I brought several pairs. I brought these cute little black beaded bow earrings that I got off of Etsy recently, and they went perfectly with my beaded sweater. I also brought my favorite earrings, these little red tassel earrings. I have these in pink and black and navy blue, and I just wear these earrings to death. I also brought these big gold, like, I don't know, they kind of like fishbone kind of earrings. I got these from Aldo a while back, so these are like a fun outfit with the black and gold details on this dress. And I also brought these huge like lucite linked chain earrings that I got from Zara. Lastly, I also have these little jeweled like drop earrings from Zara as well, and I brought those with me. So yeah, that was it. We were gone for I think 6 days, 5 nights, so I had 7 outfits. I changed for dinner one evening, but everything else I wore from sunup to sundown. And yes, like I said, I will do a follow-up video with just my whole like packing methodology. I'll tell you there are spreadsheets and lookbooks involved. And also too, when we're not doing road trips, I don't think I really check bags. Before we had Christian, I never checked bags, but usually with him, now I have to like pack our stuff together. So unfortunately, I have started checking bags again. But otherwise, I can pack. I even went on a 2-week trip to Europe, like 3 different countries with just a carry-on. So if I do say myself, and no outfit repeats the entire time. So stay tuned for that video, or drop a comment if there are any specific packing tips that you guys want. If there's a specific location or destination you have in mind and you want some tips on what to pack there, I would love to share what I think are some good ideas. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, stay classy and stay fabulous.